Hey guys, what's good? It's Brittany and welcome back to my channel. So today for you all, I have a good old-fashioned what's in my bag featuring the Louis Vuitton Pochette Metis. Now if you all are new here, again my name is Brittany and I do videos on starting my luxury collection as well as getting the look for less, like Amazon dupes like this Celine dupe that I have, and I also do fashion try-on hauls. So if you are interested in any or all of that, definitely make sure you hit the subscribe button and join the tribe, and then also make sure you hit the notification bell so that you don't miss a future upload. And without further ado, let's get started. All right guys, so here's the bag, and again this is the Louis Vuitton authentic Louis Vuitton Pochette Metis, and as you can see, it's in the empreinte leather. It's got the imprints of the Louis Vuitton monogram logo, and this is in the color Rose Poudre, not Rose Ballerine, Rose Poudre. So I actually got this bag charm recently and I unboxed it in my very last video, so I will go ahead and put a link to that above. So I figured out a way to get this bag charm on here. So I took the key ring and I stuck it here, and then I just clipped the bag charm onto it. And I've also been giving you guys a little sneak peek of what's in this bag, so definitely follow me on Instagram if you guys are not already. I will go ahead and put my Instagram tag on the screen. Just take a quick second and follow me there. I promise you won't be disappointed. And then really quickly before you get started, I just wanted to show you guys everything that I'm currently wearing. So this top is from Free People. It's from a few seasons ago, so they may not still have it. This barrette in my hair is from my last Amazon dupes video featuring jewelry. This ring is from Amazon, and then also this necklace is a Celine dupe initial pendant. So I'll go ahead and link everything below in the description box. But let's go ahead and get into what's in my bag. So when you open it up, I'll just go in order from front to back, top to bottom. So in the very front, I have my 6-ring key holder. This is in the damier bin with the rose ballerine interior. And then also in there, I have a little wipe to clean my sunglasses. I have a little mirror. I love this mirror because it says, "You're like really pretty." And then I also have my Chanel Egg little hand cream. I love this. It smells so good. But yeah, this is what it looks like. But yeah, hopefully you guys can see that, okay? That's what it looks like. All right, so that's everything in that very front pocket. So that's totally empty. Now in the main compartment, I have my Louis Vuitton mini pochette, and this is in the monogram. So this does double duty as like a little wristlet clutch, but then also I'm using it right now as a catch-all. So I won't go into everything, but I've basically got like my lip gloss in here, my contact case, and gun, floss, hand sanitizer, a little mini perfume, another little mini lotion because apparently you need two, and my doll. So this mini pochette, I tend to really just take from bag to bag. Like I'll throw it in my gym bag. I will just take it with me on its own. And that's really common here in the luxury community to kind of have like little pouches to carry everything in, which makes it really easy to switch your bags. So pro tip, get pouches like this. Even if it's not luxury, get a pouch that you can use as a catch-all and then just take from bag to bag. It makes it so much easier to switch out your bags. So underneath that, I have my Dove Invisible Dry Spray. And this video is not sponsored by Dove, but I would not be opposed to that because I love their dry spray product. All right, so that middle compartment is all empty, and then in the very back, on top, I have my sunglasses, and these sunglasses are a Celine dupe, and they have like the gradient that goes from light to dark. I love these sunglasses, and apparently you guys love them too because you guys bought these like crazy. I love these sunglasses. They'll be linked below as well. And then last but not least, I have my Louis Vuitton key pouch. So this is also called the Clay in the damier bin. And then I'm using this as like a wallet. So in here I have cards, coins, and cash. And then I keep my ID and my main debit card in the Louis Vuitton key holder. All right, so this is the bag completely empty. Now there is a pocket in the back that you can also use to carry things. So sometimes I will carry my phone here, but usually I don't carry anything in here. Sometimes if I have to take off jewelry or something, I might stick it back there just because it's completely separate from everything else. But I very rarely use this back pouch. So yeah, guys, that is everything in my bag. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you do, definitely make sure to give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah.